Hello everyone, Caleb here with Texas Quality Assurance, and in this video we're going to talk about how to actually document when trainings have taken place. So the way we do that in the TQA Cloud is we come over here, go to Competence Training, and then we're going to go to Competence and Training Records. Okay, so we kind of shorten this up a little bit and say Comp Records, so you may see that. But as you can see, we have a few pieces of metadata here. We got the employee name, we got the date completed, we got the training, and then it automatically builds a kind of a class roster of everyone that you entered in at that point. So in order to do this, we're going to click New. We're going to come over here and we're going to select the training, let's say Certified Electronics Tech. We're going to select the date, and then we're going to start adding our employees into the training roster. So you can see here, I'm just kind of adding, coming over here, clicking this down arrow. You can search if you want to. So we're going to add that guy. So that's one way of doing it. I'm going to clear here and just show you another way. Another way you can do it is just do what's called the employee quick add, where that pulls up a list of all the employees. You're going to just start hitting the plus sign next to their name, as you scroll down, and you can build your training roster that way. So once you have your roster builded, or as you're building it, then you can start doing your signatures. If you're going to collect those, let's say you're using a tablet or something and you're in the meeting room while you're doing this, you do have this option of capturing an electronic signature. Or if you want to use just the good old-fashioned paper signature, you would just select attachments here, scan and upload that physical sign-in sheet, and then attach it to this document. And then what it'll do is it'll attach it to every entry that's created from this training roster here. So once we're done, we're going to click Submit. But before I do that, I'm going to show you something that might save you a little bit of time. I'm going to go ahead and clear again. And in this scenario, let's say you have a training class full of people, and you may want to come over here and just click Add All Employees. So what that's going to do is it's going to add every active employee, and then it's going to, anybody that's there, let's say you're passing the tablet around, you say, hey, find your name and sign it. Okay, so each person that signs this thing, hit Save Signature, that kind of thing. Let's say that everybody signed it that was there. Then we're going to click Remove Employees with no signature. So what that did is it built a training roster, but then anybody that wasn't there to actually sign it, that just went ahead and removed those signatures. So you're only capturing the people that were in the class. Okay, so once we get those added, then we're going to hit Submit to SharePoint. And it's going to, load for a few seconds as it builds, because it's creating a training record for each one of those employees. Okay, so we're going to come over here. We're going to click refresh, and then we're going to sort by date completed. And there's our newest entries. So, like I said, if you click on any one of these entries, you can see these three were all part of the same training class. You can see by the class attendees. Now, if I double click on any one of those, it's going to show who all attended the class, their signatures. It's also going to have any attachments that were attached, which we didn't attach any attachments, so there's none there. But one other cool thing that you can do is if you hit email training certificate, it says PDF sent to email. Whoever the user was that clicked this email training certificate was going to receive an email with just a certificate of whoever they selected here. So this would have been Aloysia Halbert. She's going to get a training certificate, or I'm going to get a training certificate emailed to me with her name on it. This would be for any vendors that say, hey, send me their proof of confined spaces training. Well, we've got a generic sheet that we can print up for them that says this person was trained on this date, with this training. So I'm going to go check my email here, and then we'll pull up what that looks like. All right, so I just received the email. This is what that looks like, and this is going to be what this is the default certificate. If you have your own certificate, we can change this for you. This border, the font, signature page, whatever you want to add on to this, we can customize this for you. Just let us know. But you can see it's got the company name, it's got the employee name, it's got the training that took place, and it's got the date that took place. So then you can forward this over to your vendor or whoever requested proof of training. So that pretty much sums up the competence records report. Let us know if you have any questions. Again, this is Caleb. Have a good day.